Look at this terrifying landslide. These are truly breathtaking moments as nature unleashes its overwhelming power. Miraculously, everyone managed to survive this near-certain disaster. Within seconds, nature unleashed its unimaginable power, leaving everyone in awe. Mayon Volcano in the Philippines, the restless giant known for its frequent eruptions and its massive blasts of lava and ash, has awakened once again from its slumber on May 2, 2026. Spectacular eruptions served as a powerful reminder of nature's unstoppable force and humanity's fragility in the face of such immense power.